Hey, it's David Bain here at 8316 Columbia Falls Drive. Great home that I'm putting on the market end of this week. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's a little smaller than the homes in the area, allowing somebody to come in and get into Fern, Bluff at a lower price point, which is really quite appealing to a lot of people. It's also a great opportunity for an investor to come in on a great piece of property in an appreciating area in Round Rock to get some great rent. It's been rented up until recently at just under $1,500 a month, but come on in, check it out. All in all, the home is in great shape. It's got great bones, no major issues to speak of. Nice floors, a breakfast dining area, and then a kitchen with lots of space. And it's perfect for entertaining or preparing meals for your friends or family. It's a 3-bedroom home, which I said, so we've got some nice sized rooms. The guest rooms have a nearby wonderful guest bath, and we'll show you those. First guest room, nice size, opens up to the side yard. Second guest room opens up to the backyard. Nice full bath for guests. Tile works in great shape. Full bath and shower. The master is in the back corner of the house and allows for a lot of privacy, and then it's got a nice large window opening up to the backyard. We've got double vanities in the bathroom, which is fantastic, and then again, a great shower tub combo with all the tile work in great shape. Nice sized master bath closet. Can't be beat. So for those looking to get in the area, walking distance to the elementary school, neighborhood parks, that sort of thing, it's a great opportunity. And again, for investors, fantastic chance to get into appreciating area with some cash flow and add it to your portfolio or start yours. On the back, we're gonna check it out. We've got a nice patio here. Opens up to the side yard, great for entertaining. And then a really nice sized backyard. So if you're interested or want to know more, send me a message at David Bain Realtor, and I'd love to talk it through with you. You can also check me out on the website, bainresidential.com. I've got photos coming up tomorrow, and hope to hear from you. Thanks. Bye.